also have an unboxing for you guys. I'm really excited. I got something new in the mail and I'm going to show you guys now and then we'll get to repotting. And I'm not sure what else we'll get done in this video. Watering, I don't know, it's just going to be a mashup of some things I need to do. So let's rewind to a couple days ago to my unboxing.
We have another box. Okay.
Child. Goes down into here, the 4 screws go into this. Okay, see if it came with them.
Yeah, it did. Right over there.
Oh, he's in a box. That's good.
Well, you know what? We're just gonna roll with this. That's how we go. Alright, you gotta plug her in now. Power, warm me up. I mean, I'll put it out. I mean, we'll see how it does.